Hello guys, this is the day 28 of my communication skill challenge, and today I am very feeling very bad because I have make the streak of 28 days on unstop of daily POTT solving. Yesterday I forgot to solve the problem of POTT. That's why my streak has I've lost my streak of 28 days. Now the again start from day first. That's really hurts me because when you do something for a very long time, like 28 days is I think very long time, because I want to hit the nearly 30 days streak. There is a campaign running on unstop, that you have to solve 30-day continuous POTD, then you get a merchandise from unstop. I missed that opportunity by one mistake. So guys, if you are doing anything, forget about everything, just focus on one thing. I learned a lesson that you are doing the right things. If you do one bad thing, then your all the right thing is ruined away. So do not break your consistency and hard work, because also the hard work is also important, but also consistency. If you think the one day can never affect your journey, I think it's affects a very lot in a very long term. In past days, past 2 to 3 days, I have not studied a lot because my submission is going on, and as well as the assignments, write-ups, etc. things I have done, writing and stuffs. But in upcoming days, after 1 May, I will work hard and study as much as possible. I want to learn DSA as well as making a project on backend in Spring Boot. Hopefully I am definitely do everything. And I think the communication skill that I learned from these days has been improved a lot, so that I can not very good at English, but decent. I am decent in English, as I'm making the daily videos also. Definitely I will improve myself and my communication skill. So there is no harm in interviews that I will struggle in giving answers to the interviewer. So if you any one of you facing a struggle in communication skill, just start recording yourself, because if you do not do anything out of your lose skills, then it is does not improve anywhere. So thank you, have a good day, see you tomorrow, and thank you.